Stuck with a gray screen on Discord? Don't reinstall yet. I'll show you the fastest fix that works for any app, plus a secret trick to prevent it from happening again. First, force close Discord. Open Task Manager. Under Processes, find Discord greater than right-click greater than End Task. Then, open the Run dialog, Win plus R, type %, app data %, and hit Enter. Find the Discord folder, right-click, delete. Empty recycle bin to ensure full cleanup. Launch Discord again. It'll rebuild fresh files. Still gray? Time for the nuclear option. Fixed your gray screen? Drop a like. For more tech fixes, subscribe. I save one frustrated gamer per day.